Hello friends, welcome back to Steno World. Today I am going to dictate another legal matter which is completely based on upcoming Jharkhand District Court examination. So get ready for the dictation. 3, 2, 1, start. By filing this writ petition in the nature of public interest litigation, the petitioner, being the member of parliament representing Godda constituency, has prayed for a direction upon the respondents, particularly respondent number 2, to take appropriate steps for construction of mega destination Devghar within bracket construction of Q complex, which is allegedly not being constructed even after lapse of 10 years from the date of sanction of the project, for which foundation stone was laid down by His Excellency the then Honorable President of India in the year 2013. The petitioner claims that the temple of deity Baba Baidnath is situated in Devghar and is one of the 12 Jyotirling temples having great significance for the followers of Sanatan Dharma. It is a place of major pilgrimage, and in the month of Shravan, an estimated 50 to 60 lakhs devotees first visit Sultanganj, collect Ganga Jal in their kanvars, and thereafter carry the same by undertaking a rigorous 109 kilometers pilgrimage on foot and offer the holy water to the deity Baba Baidnath. During this Shravani Mela, the devotees have to stand in queue for 15 to 20 kilometers after reaching the city of Devghar to offer holy water to the Sibling after walking for about 109 kilometers from Sultanganj to Devghar, which consumes about 10 to 11 hours, and devotees have to face insurmountable problems. The proposal for selection Devghar within the state of Jharkhand, a destination of mega tourism, was first proposed in the 11th 5-year plan. The Ministry of Tourism, wide letter dated 22nd of October 2010, informed that respondent number 1, in consultation with respondent number 2, has included the project mega destination at Devghar in the privatized project list of Jharkhand 2010-11 and was directed to provide a revised detailed project report, and therefore the petitioner prayed that appropriate direction may be passed in this connection. A supplementary affidavit has been filed by the petitioner wherein he has stated that he has been informed by Navyug Engineering Company Limited that under their corporate social responsibility scheme within bracket CSR scheme, they are willing to make a payment of rupees 120 crores only for the construction of phase 2 of Q complex at Devghar. Thereafter, the said company has written letter dated 12th of January 2023 to the Director, Tourism Department, Government of Jharkhand, showing its intention to take up phase 2 of the Q complex. However, the Director, Tourism Department, Government of Jharkhand, has failed to give any reply. The letter dated 12th of January 2023. Another supplementary affidavit 2/5/2023 has been filed wherein the petitioner has reiterated the same by annexing a copy of the letter issued by the Government of Jharkhand to the chairman of Navyug Engineering Company Limited requiring certain information. Counter affidavit has been filed on 14/6/2023, wherein the Under Secretary, Tourism Department, Government on instructions have pleaded that the chairman of Navyug Engineering Company Limited, void its letter dated 12/1/2023, has given a proposal for construction of Q Complex Phase 2 at Badnath Dham, Devghar under their CSR activity. The proposal was sent to the Deputy Commissioner, Devghar. The District CSR Committee and Badnath Dham Temple Management Committee have approved the proposal void Annexure C to the counter affidavit. In the said proposal, the company concerned requested for exemption of state goods and services tax, labor cess and other taxes, but as there is no provision for exemption of the taxes, therefore a discussion was held with the vice president of the aforesaid company